Number 1. Santa Cruz Main Beach. Santa Cruz Main Beach is the best beach in Northern California to see and be seen. The bustling stretch is known as Boardwalk Beach for its lively oceanfront promenade, complete with an amusement park and several tasty seafood restaurants. Number 2. Gray Whale Cove. Gray Whale Cove is one of the best spots in the Bay Area to witness the migration of the California gray whales. Whale watching season runs from January to March, and there's a good chance you'll spot these majestic beasts from the clifftop. Number 3. Ano Nuevo State Park. Ano Nuevo State Park comes alive from mid-December to late March as an army of northern elephant seals overrun the beach. Guided tours are mandatory if you want to get close to the creatures during the breeding season, and the experience is utterly worthwhile. Number 4. Natural Bridges State Beach. Natural Bridges State Beach for the grand limestone arch that juts out of the sea, the most frequently photographed icon on the Californian coast. Aside from the famous arch, this strip of golden sand is a beautiful spot to stroll, sunbathe, or swim. Beyond the beach is the boardwalk of the Natural Bridges Monarch Trail, packed full of fluttering butterflies and colorful birds. Number 5. Davenport Beach. Davenport Beach straddles the tiny town of the same name and receives only a smattering of visitors despite its gorgeous vistas. If you're after a quiet beach for a secluded day out, it doesn't get much more tranquil than this. No facilities are available, although you'll find a couple of passable restaurants on the highway in town. Hope you liked this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.